Hi, I'm Shirley with Wigs Warehouse, and I want to show you this particular wig will be a lace front and a lace part. So some of this is going to be machine made in here. One thing I really like about this particular company's construction is on their fine lace, they've actually put some sort of a silicone so it really grips the head. And that's really a good feature for the gals that don't have any hair because that really helps your wig hang on. That's actually a fairly new feature that has now started being seen in some of the new wigs that are coming out. So what's really nice about this particular one here, if you want, if you didn't want to wear a bang, you don't have to, because that's what the lace front lets you do. It lets you have that look of no bang. Then the lace part, what it's good for is you have, it looks like it's coming out of your head. And people really like that look. They feel that it's more realistic looking. And the reality is you have from like here to part. As you can see on the back, you don't have a huge area where you can part it. Some people like their wig more towards the center, where you can always move the part. Usually when they come boxed, they're kind of in a permanent area or kind of staying in a certain spot, that part is. But you can always mist it with water, just brush it back, and then kind of part it how you want. And I call it's almost like ironing. You would mist this with water, and then with your finger just really, press on that so that it's going to teach that part, okay, I've got to lay here now. So anyway, it's a really nice, beautiful piece. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and as I said, we have others, so maybe you can see the different constructions that are out there in wigs. Thanks again.